Nitin,
Good
hi,
morning.
how are you?
Good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also great. So here we are. You are. I'm like looking like your host. So you're welcome here. Like you are here
Yes.
for introducing to the viewers who want to see us,
Right.
like how we are improving our skills, like how we are here on this platform. So let me discuss here.
Yes. Yes.
So I just want
Yes.
to
Sure.
one question to you, like how
Mm-hmm.
you start your journey this language, English
Okay.
language.
Okay. Sure. Sure. Yeah. Sure. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Nitin. I hail from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm currently working in MNC company as a HR representative. And apart from working, I also run my two YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel name is Advanced English with Nitin, where I upload my content related to my English journey. And I have another channel that is Yoga with Nitin, where I upload content related to my yoga journey. So on that channel, I upload all the asanas, different breathing techniques which are required for mental well-being and physical well-being. So as you asked me how I improved my English, so I will answer that. So I started my English journey in the month of March, when actually initially I used to shadow a lot. So have you heard about shadowing technique?
Yes, I heard that, like if you are writing whatever
Mm-hmm.
the mention is there in any videos, like subtitles when we can say.
Mm-hmm.
So we are just reading out loudly. It called the shadows practice, right?
Yeah, I will clarify that. So shadowing means we have to listen to one English podcast and we have to imitate the speaker, the way that person is speaking. We have to pause that video after one sentence and we have to repeat after that. So we have to complete that entire podcast by repeating the speaker. We have to follow their way of pronunciation, the way they are talking about. We have to exactly copy the way they are saying. So that is called shadowing. So initially when I started my English journey, I used to shadow a lot of videos. So I did shadowing for almost 3 months. And after shadowing, I was doing a recording. So I was taking random topic and I used to narrate that topic and I used to record that my voice. And after recording, I was listening to my recording and I was making a note of mistakes that I am doing. So next time I should not repeat those mistakes while recording. So I did recording for 3 months. So this is how I improved my English. So recently I can say I'm at intermediate level and I want to go at advanced level now. So I am recently doing lot of listening practice so that I can engage with lot of new words, new vocabulary. So that is how this journey going on. Hopefully I will achieve that advanced level very soon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely you will achieve, because we are working on that language, because we are working together. Can say we all are the
Right, right,
co-learners. Like
yes.
it is the endless journey. We can't say like it's a stoppable journey. Like this is the last journey. When we have stopped, we can achieve, and then it's ended of the journey. Like we can say like it's a endless
Right.
journey. If you want to learn that language, so you have to be fascinated about that language, because if you are fascinated that language, so definitely you will learn. Like we can say about my journey. So here I start my journey, like when I failed my, I appear like I applied one job. So there is some
Mm-hmm.
interviews there. So I applied an online interview, but I failed there. So on that time, click on my mind, I have to start upon my skills first, because if I improve my
Right.
skills, so definitely soon I will be getting over the thing, like whatever is going with me, like whatever I want to achieve, so that will be happen with the this language. This language is the barrier of
Right.
my career. So that comes
Yes.
in my
Yes.
mind. So that's why just now I'm working upon my language actually. So I try to speak
That's
more and
mm,
listen more podcast also. So that is I'm
Yes,
doing.
yes,
Yes,
and
and
that's
that's
very
very
good.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
you're on
you're
the
on the
right
right
path.
path.
And I
And I
can
can
say
say
when you
when you
learn this
learn this
language,
language,
people will
people will
start
start
respecting
respecting
you.
you.
They will
They
give
will
you
give you
value,
value,
and you
and you
will
will
feel
feel
that
that
confidence in
confidence in
you.
you.
So
So
yeah,
yeah,
people will
people
not
will not
judge
judge
you.
you.
So when
So
you
when
are
you are
fluent in
fluent in
this
this
language,
language,
you will
you will
see
see
people
people
around
around
you.
you.
They will
They will
start
start
respecting
respecting
you.
you.
So
Right.
So
that is
that
the
is the
magic
magic
of this
of this
language.
language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also seen like sometimes when we are going to surrounding somewhere, so like if they are listening to us, like I am speaking in English, so they are also like scaring to me us, like they are thinking like
Mm-hmm.
gallons, their eyes on gallons on me, like they are you are
Right.
speaking in
Right.
English, so how you learn that language? Sometimes it's happening surrounding us,
Mm-hmm.
right? So now we come with the
Right.
Right.
second question. So how long
Mm-hmm.
have you been in this journey? How long?
So,
So
yeah, as
yeah,
I
as I
mentioned
mentioned
earlier,
earlier,
I
I
started my
started my
journey in
journey
the
in the
month of
month of
March
March
2025.
2025.
So,
So
this
this
year,
year,
March
March
2025, I
2025, I
started my
started my
English
English
journey,
journey,
and
and
I'm
I'm
currently
currently
working
working
into
into
HR
HR
domain.
domain.
So,
So you know,
in
in
HR,
HR,
you
you
require
require
excellent
excellent
communication
communication
skill
skill
because in
because in
HR,
HR
you
you
have
have
to
to
communicate with
communicate
lot
with
of
lot of
employees.
employees.
The
The
employees will
employees will
come at
come at
you,
you,
and they
and
may
they may
ask you a
ask you
lot
a
of
lot of
queries
queries
about
about
company's
company's
policy and
policy and
different
different
structures.
structures.
So we
So we
have to
have to
have
have
good
good
communication
communication
skill
skill
to
to
answer
answer
their
their
queries.
queries.
So
So
for
for
that, I
that, I
feel I
feel I
need to
need to
improve.
improve.
And
And
sometimes I
sometimes I
feel
feel
I'm a
I'm a
camera
camera
fear
fear
person. When
person.
I
When I
go and
go
meet
and meet
someone in
someone in
person,
person,
I am
I'm
bit
bit
hesitant.
hesitant.
So
So
I
I
want to
want to
conquer
conquer
that
that
fear,
fear,
and that
and
is
that is
how
how
I am
I am
using
using
most of
most
the
of the
app
app
like
like
Episodin.
Episodin.
We have
We have
Episodin
Episodin
app
app
where you
where you
can
can
talk to
talk to
co-learner
co-learner
face to
face to
face.
face.
So I
So
am
I am
doing
doing
lot of
lot of
stuff to
stuff to
improve
improve
my
my
communication.
communication.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
that is
how
how
this
this
journey
journey
started.
started.
Okay. So now I will tell about my journey. I start like I also
Mm-hmm.
utilize a different kind of platform. One is Episodan, as Fluency. So like when it's my journey will be start like 3 year back. On that time, like I just
Mm-hmm.
preparing for me like as a interviewer. But after the
Mm-hmm.
get like after 2 year, I was working as a freelancing like that. But nowadays, I
Mm-hmm.
just applied for the job for the whole full time job. So I applied for a one
Mm-hmm.
company. This that name is the Visup. So this company I applied. It's also the MNC's company. So I applied there, but I failed in the written exam actually in English written exam. I qualified in
Mm-hmm.
aptitude exam, but I failed in the written English
Mm-hmm.
exam. So on that time I click on the mind like
Mm-hmm.
I have to improve upon its serious way, not like for some time. So that's why I
Right.
also created my
Mm-hmm.
channel as well, like for the improving purpose. Because if I create the channel, so
Mm-hmm.
it will be bound for me. I have to be improve myself. If I am not improving, so like I
Right.
can't be a fluent speaker. I want to become a advanced speaker.
Right.
I am the also the intermediate
Right.
level now itself. That's why my journey is
Mm-hmm.
nowadays we can say I start my journey like since 20 days, 25 plus days. So 20
Mm-hmm.
days, more than 20 days,
Okay.
I'm starting this journey. So I'm improving skills for learning podcast. But writing I'm not doing. I seen like
Okay.
many
Okay.
people are using to write to the paragraph something else. So they are formatting
Right.
the sentence. I think, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Right,
you
right.
can do.
So
So
even
even
yeah, so
so
even I
even I
don't get
don't get
time to
time to
write a
write a
lot
lot
because my
because my
schedule is
schedule is
such a in such a way that
that
most of the time I used to prefer listen, and whenever I get opportunity, I join this WhatsApp group and I have conversation with another co-learner. So reading and writing, these are the two skills which are really important, but I don't get time for that. So yeah, definitely very soon I will be starting those skills also, and I will start working on that also because we need to do at least 5 to 10 minutes of reading and writing because it will help us in our written communication. So writing is also important. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
I
reading
also.
will give you lot of knowledge. Yeah, yeah. Please
We
go
can
ahead.
say, yeah, sorry for interrupting. Like we can
No
say about
problem.
the
No
writing
problem.
and reading. Actually, before that, I am not reading anything else. But nowadays, I just improve one thing. Like I don't one thing on me. Like I created a some. I just find out some words, some vocabs from somewhere. then I created a story from utilizing that word. That will help to me like a lot.
Okay.
We have to read it out, because that is creating a story.
Right.
So that is like easy to understand, like easy to recall to that words, I think.
Right,
So
right.
that is I'm
Right,
very
right.
much.
So yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, I can totally agree with you. So when you learn new words in the contest, so for example, now you said you are learning new words with the help of story. So those words will stick to your mind, and you will not forget those words. So
Yeah.
yeah, it is very important. So if you want to learn new words, so you need to make sure those words should be there in your story, or you should use them in your example. Then only you will remember those words. Yeah, that is very important.
Or now we can say about that, like when I start to talk to anyone else, so I seen myself,
Mm-hmm.
I don't try a new words. I want to try it, but
Okay.
it's not coming in my tongue. I don't know what is happening with me.
Yeah.
So that is happening, like
Yeah, it
I
happens.
recall.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recall lots of words.
Yeah.
But it's not coming on my tongue, because we are habitual with the old words, can say.
Right. Yeah. It happens with all the co-learners. So who all are learning this language, it happens with everyone. So even sometimes I face a lot of issue with these new words. So I know most of the words, but when it comes to using those words in our daily conversation, I fail to use those words. So it happens with everyone, and that problem we can curtail by doing lot of practice only. So when we are alone and when we are recording our voice, we should use those words in our daily conversation. While recording our conversation, we should use them. So
Yeah.
that is how we can improve.
I will try also, because I
Yeah.
didn't like tried, like I whenever I am talking, while I am talking someone else, so I just try you use old word only, not new words. I want to
Okay.
use, but it's not coming in my tongue. So that is happening with me.
Right.
So now we
Yes,
come
yes.
with the next question. I just want to ask you, in your journey, what challenges have you faced in your English journey, in this speaking journey, like reading,
Okay.
listening? What is the main challenge you have faced? Reading,
Okay,
writing,
so
English.
first of all, yeah. So these four parameters are very important. Reading, listening, writing, and speaking. Speaking is number one parameter which we need to practice a lot. But when it comes to reading is not my cup of tea. So I don't like to read at all. So I'm a that kind of person. I will listen a lot, but I will not at all read. But if I am trying to do that, recently I have purchased one book, so I'm trying to read that book at least for 5 minutes. So yeah, the reading is very important. Yeah, I feel reading is very challenging for me. What about you?
Now I will tell. I just want to have one question again. So how you start? Like first you
Sure.
prefer for the reading or listening, whatever you have to prefer first. For the, like if you anyone is new in this journey, like they want to learn and this
Okay.
language, so what they have to be used first.
Right. So if someone is starting their English journey, I would suggest them start listen a lot and go for a simple video. So listen simple videos and observe them. So when you will observe how people are constructing sentences, you have to see that. Then that is how you can improve. And also while listening to that, try to mimic their this video. So try to doing shadowing practice. So when you will shadow them, you will follow them, and you will imitate the way they are speaking. Then you will see gradual improvement in your speaking style. So even when I started my journey, I was fumbling a lot. So I did lot of shadowing, and that is how I improved my English. So someone who is starting their English journey, they should do lot of shadowing practice. That then only they will become fluent in this language. Yeah.
Okay, so now I will tell
I hope I
about
have
me.
answered your question.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely. Now I will tell about me. Like when I start this journey, so I just try to speak with small sentences. Whatever I'm doing in our house. So I just try to speak our little
Right.
sentences. First, we have to start with this. Like now, my kids at home. So like sometimes people are thinking about that. Someone been mocking it to them. Like if they are speaking in English. So
Right.
so that is the first way you can start with them who
Hmm.
don't know the English, who don't know the
Right.
English. So that is the
Right.
easiest way for you, like
Right.
because no one will mocking you. So like I start my
Right.
journey with
Right.
my kids, like when my kids at home, so I try
Hmm.
to speak with them. So that
Right.
is easiest way because they are not
Right.
mocking me. So that's why I tried from that way.
Yeah.
And second, shadow practice I didn't it, but definitely I will try it.
Hmm.
Maybe it will be
Yeah, you
helpful.
should. Yeah.
And we
Yeah,
can say
yeah, it
about
will
the
be helpful
reading.
for you.
Yeah,
Hmm.
we can say about the reading.
Yeah, please
Reading.
go.
Yeah, we can say about the reading. I didn't read before because I seen somewhere like I have to read loud. If we are reading loud, so it's automatically your tongue will be twisted and rotating like that. Whatever the language we are using,
Right.
because
Right.
tongue is not twisted according to that language because we are not in driving this
Right.
language. That's why. So reading a lot
Right. Right.
have to be done in this. Like I didn't do the read before. I just listening only, listening and try to speak out only.
Okay.
That thing I am doing. Or writing, we can say. Like I'm
Okay.
thinking of that one thing also. Like I start to writing. Writing is must in this language because whenever we are discussing
Right.
any topic, so writing will must important create a role important part, because if we are doing the writing, so that we can articulate the sentences, like whenever we are discussing any
Right,
topic.
right,
So
right.
like your formation, your sentence formation will be the clear. But if you are not writing now,
Right.
nowadays I didn't do the writing, so but I think of that I have to shoot the writing, because if I am having the writing, so
Yes.
definitely it will be coming to formatting the sentence in proper way whenever I am speaking. So sometimes I will be
Right.
fumbling like that. I will create some sentences, then but nowadays I'm thinking of always in English, not in Hindi. But initial level, whenever I'm thinking, so I just use first Hindi, then try to convert in English. But nowadays I always thinking in
Okay.
English, not in Hindi.
Yeah,
That thing
that,
I'm doing.
that is very good. Yeah. So even I do this kind of activity. So even when I am alone at home, so I always think in English only. So whatever I am doing, I always say that in my mind. Or someone is not at home, then I always speak loudly, because no one is there to
Yeah.
mock me, or no one is there to judge me, right? And most of the time it happens that my daughter is at home and my wife is right now at home. So we have conversation in English, and I have told them that you speak in any language, I don't mind, but I am going to speak in English only, because my goal is to improve my English.
Right.
So because it's my goal, I should not compel them to speak in English, right? So I have to work on my goal. So that's why I have already told them that I am going to speak in this language. Yeah. So that is how I am trying to improve my English.
Yeah,
Yes.
same way. Like actually, I speak always. Actually, today I will tell one incident with me. Like my kids are saying, "Mama, why you are speaking Hindi? Like when auntie is coming, like my maid is coming at home, then I should start to speak in English only, not in Hindi. Sorry, Hindi. Like when she will go, then I start to speak only in English. So my kids are
Okay,
saying
got
today,
it.
like, why you are doing this like this? So I said, beta, actually, she don't know the English, na, that's why I'm not talking to her in English. But you have to
Right,
learn
right,
English.
right.
That's why I want to talk to you in English. Whenever while my
Amen.
kids are watching the TV, so I utilize to listen the only like watch only the English cartoons like that. Don't I try to
Okay,
make it
okay.
like they have to listen more. So definitely, one day he will also speak in English. I try to talk
Right,
there in
right.
the English only. That's why.
Right. And as a parents, it's our duty that we should give that English environment to our children, because whatever we face, we are currently facing, and we don't want our child to face that, right?
Right.
So they should be fluent by the time when they will grow up, right? We don't want that kind of problem they are facing. So that's why it is always better that we should surround ourselves in English only. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
I-
recently I'm watching this Netflix movie. So on Netflix you will get a lot of English movie. So yesterday I was watching about this Delhi crime. It's very beautiful story. So this is a nice series. I have completed 2 episodes. So I would recommend you also watch Delhi crime. It's very nice Delhi crime story. Yeah, and it's good for learning English language because you will come across a lot of new words. So yesterday I was listening to a few of the new words like crook, skulking. Then
What is the meaning of the crook?
there were few new words. Crook means very bad person, I would say.
Okay.
Very, I would say, very selfish person who is taking advantage of others. That kind of person.
Okay.
Yeah,
Self-centered, you can
so
say.
I'm making note of
Self-centered.
those. Yeah, self-centric. Yeah. So I'm making notes of those new words, and I'm trying to search them so that we can improve our
Yeah,
vocabulary
I'm
also
also
while listening to. Yeah.
I'm
Mhm.
also creating a
Yeah. Yeah.
diaries
Please
as
go
well.
ahead.
Like I'm also creating my
Mhm.
diaries here. Like it's like I'm mentioning all the words here.
Yeah.
Like I'm putting all the words
Yeah, so
whenever I
do
got the time.
even I have my diary here.
Yeah, I'm also
Yeah.
trying to do like because I want to become a
Hmm.
fluent. So for fluent, I have to be
Yes,
work
yes.
upon us, right? So
Mm-hmm.
now we are
Right,
coming the
right.
last
Yeah.
question. Last question. I just want to have one question.
Mm-hmm.
How do you practice English every day
Mm-hmm.
nowadays? Like you are working professional, so how you get the time and
Right,
how you
right.
are working on that?
Yeah, so my schedule is like that. So Monday to Wednesday, it's like my work from office day. So in that period, I get only 1 hour, that is 10:30 to 11:30. So I make sure that I practice little bit of English. Then, as I told you earlier, I have two YouTube channel. So I also work on that because in on YouTube you have to post content
Yeah.
consistently. Okay,
Right.
then only your channel will flourish.
Monetize.
So I am doing that also within that 1 hour. And Thursday, Friday is my work from home days where I get a lot of time to practice my English. Okay, so Thursday, Friday is good time for me to learn my language. And secondly, Saturday, Sunday I usually spend with my daughter and my wife because we should give time to them also
Yes, yes.
because they also feel like they are also missing us. So I am managing like that. So how do you manage your weeks?
Nowadays, actually, I'm taking a break from my working. So I think like I
Mm-hmm.
was working upon like my language only in language like when
Mm-hmm.
my kids are going to the
Okay.
school. So on that time I just utilize
Mm-hmm.
my system and connect to the new people like from episode and platform.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I used
Mm-hmm.
as fluency and I also create my channel as well sometimes ago. So I just create some
Right.
channel some videos for that like
Mm-hmm.
I just create some stories small stories like
Mm-hmm.
that whatever stories we are
Right,
getting
right.
on the chat gtp, so just we are narrating
Mm-hmm.
them and we have to create our videos and I put on the my youtube channel. That is I
Okay.
am doing and
Right,
sometimes
right.
I just listen some podcast like
Mm-hmm.
whoever
Okay.
creating a, that type of podcast like there is the conversational
Mm-hmm.
video, so I listen too much.
Okay.
So that is doing
Mm.
nowadays actually.
Okay. Great.
So
Yeah,
you
we
can
should continue doing that.
yeah if we are continuing so
Yeah.
definitely in soon we are fluent and we are advanced
Right,
speaker.
very.
So
Yes.
nice to talk to
Yeah.
you here and have a wonderful conversation here.
Eh,
If you have any
Yeah,
questions for
thank you
me,
so much. Mhm.
you go ahead
Yes,
with it.
sure. And yes. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm really, I feel very overwhelmed that after joining your conversation and